Welcome to mathematics. Today my topic is trigonometry. Basic information discuss previous class. Then my topics exercise question number 11. Prove that sec a plus tan a by cosec a plus cot a equal cosec a minus cot a by sec a minus tan a. Solution left side sec a plus tan a by cosec a plus cot a. At first, numerator relation between sec a and tan a. We know sec square a minus tan square a equal 1. Then sec a plus tan a makes sec square a minus tan square a is a multiplying sec a minus tan a. And denominator cosec a plus cot a. Relation between cosec square a minus cot square a. Then multiplying both denominator cosec a minus cot a. This term is balanced, then multiplying numerator cosec a minus cot a by sec a minus cot a equal sec a plus tan a into sec a minus tan a square minus b square, then sec square a minus tan square a, and denominator cosec a plus cot a into cosec a minus cot a, then cosec square a minus cot square a multiplying cosec a minus cot a by sec a plus minus cot a equal sec square a minus tan square a equal 1 and cosec square a minus cot square a equal 1 multiplying cosec a minus cot a by sec a minus tan a. We know sec square a minus tan square a equal 1 and cosec square a minus cot square a equal 1, putting value equal cosec a minus cot a by sec a minus tan a. So sec a plus tan a by cosec a plus cot a equal cosec a minus cot a by sec a minus tan a. Question number 12. Prove that cosec a by cosec a minus 1 plus cosec a by cosec a plus 1 equal to sec square a. Solution left side cosec a by cosec a minus 1 plus cosec a by cosec a plus 1. LCM in a two-part denominator, then cosec a minus 1 into cosec a plus 1. Cosec a minus 1 cosec a plus 1 divided by cosec a minus 1 equal to cosec a plus 1 multiplying cosec a, then cosec a of cosec a plus 1 plus cosec a minus 1 into cosec a plus 1 dividing by cosec a plus 1 equal to cosec a minus, then cosec a multiplying cosec a minus 1 equal cosec a cosec square a plus cosec a into 1 means cosec A plus cosec A into cosec A, then cosec square A plus or minus is a minus, then 1 into cosec A is a cosec A. Denominator cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus 1, A plus B into A minus B, then A square minus B square is a cosec square A minus 1. Then 2 cosec square A by cot square. We know cosec square A minus cot square A equal 1. Then cosec square A minus 1 equal cot square A. Cosec square A, cosec A. We know cosec A equal 1 by sin A. Then cosec square A equal 1 by sin square A. And cot square A equal cosec square A by sin square A equal 2 by sin square A into dividing part is a multiply, then sin square A by cosec square A equal 2 by cosec square A equal to sec square A is the right side. So cosec A by cosec A minus 1 plus cosec A by cosec A plus 1 equal to 2 sec square A proved. Question number 13. Prove that 1 by 1 plus sin A minus 1 by 1 minus sin A equal to sec square A. Same process, previous math. Do yourself. Question number 14. Prove that 1 by cosec A minus 1 plus 1 by cosec A plus 1 equal to tan square A. Same process in a previous math. Do yourself. Question number 15. Prove that sin A by 1 minus cos A plus 1 minus cos A by sin A equal to cosec A. Same process this math in previous math. Same process this math. Do yourself. Question number 18. Prove that cot A plus tan A by cot B plus tan A equal cot A into tan B. Solution. Left side cot A plus tan B by cot B plus tan A. Then we know cot A equal cos A by sin A and tan A or tan A equal sin A by cos A. Then cot A equals sin A by cos A by sin A plus tan B equals sin B by cos B divided by cot B equal cos B by sin B plus tan A equal sin A by cos A equal numerator part is a LCM sin A into cos B, then cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B divided by denominator part is a LCM or sin B into cos A, then cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B equal cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B by sin A into cos B multiplying sin B into cos A by cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B equal cos A into sin B by sin A into cos B or cos A by sin A equal cot A and sin B by cos B equal tan B is the right side. So cot A plus tan B by cot B plus tan A equal cot A into tan B. Proof. Question number 20. Prove that root over sec A plus tan A by sec A minus tan A equal cosec A plus cot A. Left side root over sec a plus 1 by sec a minus 1. And this maths is discussed in a higher mathematics class. Then, or we know, all time multiplying numerator part denominator and numerator. Then sec a into sec a by sec a minus 1 into sec a plus 1 equal root over sec a plus 1 whole square by sec square a minus 1 is a sec a minus 1 into sec a plus 1 is a square minus b square. Formula is a square minus b square. Then sec square a minus 1 equal root over sec a plus 1 whole square by tan square a. We know sec square a minus tan square a equal 1, or sec square a minus 1 equal tan square a equal square root is a vanish sec a plus 1 by tan a. Then arranging part sec a by tan a plus 1 by tan a. Then sec a is a 1 by cos and tan a is a sin a by cos a. Plus 1 by tan is a cot a equal 1 by cos into cos a by sin a. Denominator part is a multiplying plus cot a equal 1 by sin a plus cot a equal cosec a plus cot a is the right side. So root over sec a plus 1 by sec a minus 1 equal cosec a plus cot a. Prove. Group work. Question number 16. Prove that tan a by sec a plus 1 minus sec a minus 1 by tan a equals 0 is a math discussed in previous math. Its procedure is the same. Question number 17. Prove that tan theta plus sec theta whole square equal 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. This math is a tan theta sec theta then tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta and sec theta equal 1 by cos theta. LCM step by step is a procedure maintained by right side. Question number 19. Prove that root over 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a equal sec a minus tan a. Same as question number 20. Homework. Exercise 9.1. Problem number 11 to 20. Thanks for all students.